Okay, real talk. Your alarm goes off at 6 a.m. You open one eye, squint at the screen, and think, just 5 more minutes. Next thing you know, it's 9:47, and you're lying there like, how did this happen? Again? Here's the crazy part. It's not laziness. It's not even about willpower. There are real, science-backed reasons why some people are hardwired to wake up late, and once you understand them, everything starts to make sense. By the end of this video, you'll finally know why your body fights the alarm clock every single morning and what you can actually do about it. We're covering 5 big reasons. And the last one? Most people have never heard of it. And if you miss it, you'll keep waking up late for the rest of your life. So don't skip to the end. Trust me. Stay with it. Let's get into it. Point 1. Your body clock is running on a different time zone. Every single person has something inside them called a circadian rhythm. Think of it like an internal clock. It tells your body when to sleep, when to wake up, and when to be alert. But here's the twist. Not everyone's clock is set the same way. Scientists call it your chronotype. Some people are morning types. They naturally wake up early, feel amazing at 6 a.m., and are basically annoying to everyone else at breakfast. And then there are evening types, people whose internal clock runs later. Their bodies don't start releasing sleep hormones until midnight or later. So when their alarm rings at 6, their brain is literally still in night mode. This isn't a character flaw. This is biology. Point 2. Sleep debt is a real thing, and it's crushing. You imagine your sleep like a bank account. Every night you sleep less than you need, you're taking money out. And your body, it never forgets what you owe. Meet Omar. He's a college student. Monday through Friday, he sleeps 5 hours a night. By Friday, he's running on pure coffee and denial. Saturday morning, his alarm goes off at 7, and his body just refuses. Not because he's lazy, because his sleep debt is so deep. His body is literally trying to save his life. Most adults need 7 to 9 hours. And when that doesn't happen consistently, your body starts waking up late as a defense mechanism. The fix? You can't cheat sleep. You have to pay it back. Point 3. Your phone is hijacking your brain at night. Let's be honest. What's the last thing you look at before bed? When you scroll through your phone at night, the blue light it emits tells your brain, it's daytime, stay awake. Your brain stops producing melatonin, the hormone that makes you sleepy. And suddenly, 11 p.m. feels like 3 in the afternoon. So you don't fall asleep on time. And when you don't fall asleep on time, you wake up late. It's that simple. Your phone is literally shifting your sleep cycle later and later every single night. Try putting your phone away 30 minutes before bed. Just 30 minutes. You'll be shocked at the difference. Point 4. Stress and anxiety are keeping you up. Here's something nobody talks about. When you're stressed about work, money, relationships, anything, your body releases cortisol. And cortisol? It's a wake-up chemical. Your brain literally stays on high alert, making it harder to fall into deep, restful sleep. So even if you're in bed for 8 hours, your sleep quality is terrible. You wake up exhausted, and your body tries to compensate by keeping you asleep longer in the morning. If you're waking up late and still feeling tired, stress might be the silent villain in your story. Point 5. The last habit, the one most people miss. All right, here it is. The one reason almost nobody talks about. Inconsistency. Your body is a creature of habit. When you sleep at different times every night, 10 p.m. one day, 1 a.m. the next, your internal clock gets completely confused. It doesn't know when to make you sleepy. It doesn't know when to wake you up. So it just doesn't. The single most powerful thing you can do to stop waking up late? Pick a consistent bedtime and stick to it every single day. Yes, even on weekends. Within 2 weeks, your body will start waking you up naturally. No alarm needed. That's not magic. That's just science working in your favor. So let's bring it all together. You wake up late because of your chronotype, sleep debt, screen time, stress, and most importantly, inconsistency. None of these make you a bad person. They make you human. But now you know, and knowing is where the change begins. After watching this video, you can look at your mornings differently. You can stop blaming yourself and start fixing the actual cause. Pick one thing from today's video. Just one. Start tonight. Because the person who wins the morning, they didn't get lucky. They just understood their body and worked with it instead of against it. See you in the next one.